Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Edge browser. In this video, I will show you on how to check your password health or how you can view your password health in your Edge browser. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Edge browser, and the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on this three dots, and this is going to drop down. Then come down below right here, make sure you click on settings, and it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do under the profile, simply scroll down right here, come to passwords. That's going to take you right here. Now, password security check. What you need to do is to click on that. Then once you click on that, then check password for 33 site apps. So last check is 2 days. So right here, you have reuse password to be 39, then weak password is 4. Now, for you to check for the password, simply click on check right here. Then allow the system to run the check, and then if any password is compromised or any password is leaked, right here, you will see the report in your Edge browser. And this is one of the great security you need to always check in your Edge browser under the password manager in Edge browser. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.